Hello, Jacalyn with Hallmark Mortgage here with your April market update. So a couple things now that we are in spring. Appraisal turn times, that's going to be the hot topic this month and coming forward in the following months. Just something to keep in mind. If you will recall and you were in the industry this time last year, you saw appraisal turn times jump up quite a bit. So right now everything's looking good, but that's definitely something that you're going to want to keep in mind as you're starting to write these offers, especially if it's a quick close. We can always rush those appraisals, but it does cost your buyer quite a bit of money to do that. So just keep that in mind and make sure that's a conversation that you're having with us ahead of time. VA appraisal turn times are still at 10 business days, so we're still looking pretty good on those VA appraisals. So keep that in mind as well when you're looking at new offers on your listings. I know sometimes listings and sellers don't really want to look at the VA borrowers, but it is a really great product and it is a really great opportunity for our veterans, and what a great way for us to thank them. So something to keep in mind there as well, especially if it's a jumbo VA loan. We can keep those in-house and underwrite those in-house. So if you've got a client that's VA and looking at a jumbo rate, the rate's usually about a point lower on the VA loan, especially if they have a down payment in there, and you can keep all the underwriting and everything in-house. So it can definitely speed up the process for you. Other big ticket item is we have some great news coming up for your jumbo borrowers with a 95% loan to value with a first and second mortgage. So we've got a bank that we're working on getting some final details polished up with them, but you will have some additional updates as soon as that's been approved and signed off on. So that will be another good opportunity for some of your clients and perhaps even yourself if it's time to buy that move up house. And do you have a client that is on the fence and we need to try to get them off? We have an app for that. So our mortgage coach videos, if you've seen some of my other emails and videos that have gone out to either you or your clients, we set up a comparison so they can kind of see what they are paying in monthly rent, how much they're going to pay in rent over the next 5 years, and what that would equate to as far as paying down the principal on a loan balance. So if that's something that you're interested in, we can customize that information. We can include your information in there as well. So we can send those out to some of your not yet on the sideline type clients and try to get them off the fence and into the buyer's seat. Another email that you probably have gotten or will be getting from me soon is list reports. Take a look at these videos. They're awesome, especially if you've got listings. They have really incredible open house flyers. They have an option to text so that your buyers, when they walk in the door, they can text a phone number, a special code, and it will give you all the property information on that client and capture all of their information for you so that we can follow up with them and maybe turn those clients into pre-approved buyer leads. So a couple cool things coming up. If you want any other information on any of this, or if there's something that you'd like more information on or something I didn't mention in any of our previous messages, please feel free to reach out. I hope you are doing wonderful. Have a great weekend, and in the spirit of it being opening day, go Rockies. Have a great day.